Okay, let's try some subtracting fractions. So again, I will show you the problem. You hit pause, do the work, then hit play, check your answer. Okay, so here we go. First one, 5 1/3, take away 2 3/5. Go ahead and try it. And then let's do it together. So here we go. We need to make our common denominator. So 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. So I've got my common denominator. Okay, again, whatever I do to my denominator, I have to do to my numerator. So I'm going to times this by 3 and get 9. I did 3 times 5, so I'm going to do 1 times 5 and get 5. And then that's where I come into my problem. I cannot do 5 take away 9. A lot of 5th graders will try to just do 9 take away 5. Okay, we can't switch it around with subtraction. So 5 take away 9 I cannot do, so I borrow and this becomes a 4. That's where we have to think, okay, I took 1 whole away, so that 1 whole is really 15/15 because 15/15 is 1. So now on top I have 20/15. So 20 take away 9 is 11/15. And then 4 take away 2 is 2. Don't forget those whole numbers, a lot of 5th graders do. Hopefully you got that one right. Let's look at the next one, next problem. 4 2/7, take away 1 6/14. Go ahead and hit pause. Okay, hopefully you are coming back now. So we're going to find our common denominator. You could multiply 7 times 14. However, you're going to get a pretty big number. It's going to make it trickier to work with. So I'm going to look right away and say, hey, I can do 7 times 2 and get 14. And then I can do 2 times 2, and that's 4. And then this is already in 14th, so the work's done for me. So that's 6/14. Now when I do my subtraction, 4 take away 6, I cannot do. Again, I'm going to borrow from my 4 and make that a 3. That 1 whole that I'm taking away is really 14/14. So then on top here I have 18/14. So I'm going to do 18, take away 6 is 12/14. 3 take away 1 is 2. If you got this far, you are a rock star. If you want to be a double rock star, you got to simplify that. So when I look at this, I realize, ooh, those are both even numbers. I can divide that by 2 and divide by 2. So that would give me 2, and 12 divided by 2 is going to be 6. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So my double rock star answer is going to be a 2 6/7. Last one, let's see if you can do it. 3 1/6, take away 1 2/3. Okay, let's try it together. Again, I'm going to notice right away that I can do 3 times 2 and I can make that into a 6. That way it's a little less work for me. So 2 times 2 is 4. 6 is already a denominator of 6, so I can keep that fraction the same. 1 take away 4 I cannot do, so I'm going to borrow from my 3 and make it a 2. And that 1 that I'm borrowing is coming over here as 6/6 because 6/6 is 1 whole. So then up top here, I have a total of 7/6. The 1/6 plus I have the 6/6 that I added over. So 7/6 take away 4/6 is 3/6. And then 2 take away 1 is 1. And double rock star answer, we can divide. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 1 1/2 is that double rock star answer. So 5th graders, that was 3 problems. How well did you do?